So, what do we think it takes to be a good trader? Knowing your own strengths and weaknesses is so important, because if you don't know your own strengths and weaknesses, the market will kind of find them for you very quickly. You do need to be tenacious, and you need to be able to handle stress, because nobody really has got perfect timing in terms of entry and exit to trades. So sometimes we put on positions, and obviously we bear pain on those positions before they come right. Now, if any of you end up going to work as professionals, you'll find that it doesn't matter how cool or how much risk your boss says that they like to take, I guarantee you that when you're making losses,